Marketing Management by Professor Naushad Sheikh, International Center of Excellence in Engineering and Management. Scope of marketing. Marketing is identifying market needs, developing products/services that meet the demand of the people, and ensure the delivery to the customer. The right price for products/services based on market conditions. Product should reach the customers quickly through distribution channels, logistics, and supply chain management. Creating awareness and interest through advertising, public relations, social media, and other promotional activities. Developing and maintaining a positive brand image that attracts the target audience. Conducting market research to understand market trends and consumer behavior. Managing the sales process through sales force management, customer relationship management, CRM, and sales promotion. Online marketing, social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization (SEO) to reach and engage with the target audience. Expanding marketing efforts globally. Like, share, subscribe.